Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Make I just start with that one. I just come beg some people for this social media. This our Benin live video presenters. I beg. Wetin make me come say I beg them. Don't say all fingers are not equal. All fingers are not equal. Not be wetin dey for your mind, not be dey for my mind. Not be the way you think say you want to do your own things, not be so you see dey for my own mind. Not be the way e dey for my mind, not be so e dey for your own mind. So everybody get his or her own way wey take dey maneuver in life. So who get money get for himself, who not still get he not get for himself. Like me, if you like you get €1 trillion for inside your house under your pillow, I not send o, because I know they come that place me I come beg you €1, so I beg give me make I take chop. So I not send you, and if I not still get me I not still send you. Now my own I dey. Whether you get €1,000,000, e no concern me. I no know. If you just come out, come to say, hey, I get €1,000,000 for inside my purse, I put it under my pillow, they sleep on top of it every day. That one not they shake me. Oh, now your whole cup of tea be that. If you like, you get millions. So make you not let that one they bother anybody. So okay, because you talk say you get €1,000,000,000 for inside your house, make I come take that one. Come dey talk dey get, the more you dey deliberate on that issue, be like say they give you heart attack, heart problem, because you are concerned about it. So forget about that. Not look anybody wey say you get €1,000,000, we get money, e don even reach pass Dangote, e reach pass Alakija, the richest woman in Nigeria, being in Africa, e don reach pass that one. Okay, oh, congratulations. If I get chance, I go congratulate you for your, as God take bless you with money. You understand? If I not still get, I go look and pass. I go look you pass. So that one no go come give us time. No come make us come get time. Come they talk say you get €1,000,000. I not believe say you not get time. You know this. No. Mind your own business. That €1,000,000 wey say you get, they feed you. You know they feed you. You know they feed and he know they feed you. Stay your lane. Everybody stay in lane. No go there say because he get the other one say he get €1,000,000. The other one say he can't get. Thank God, make everybody get. If you get your own money, the other one get your own money. The other one get your own money. Hey, but forgive me wrong. You understand? So everybody make my prayer say make everybody get. Now that money that we find come here. So anybody hand where don't meet am, make it hold am well. Now so it be. Where me for they talk my own, the one when me they talk, make una not dey cheat una neighbor. Make una not dey cheat una person say, hey, because you can't use 1 cent, can't take the cheat or they collect money from your neighbor. Now that kind of thing I me no like. Now waiting me no like. Or may you can't they give a shame and disgrace to the place where you from come. Now that one I me no like. You understand? If you be native doctor, you come outside say you be native doctor, you carry one thing come outside say this thing, if you take am when headache dey worry you, the headache go finish. You dey sell your market, that will not be any problem. But no come use one thing. Maybe you be devil, come dey carry Bible dey put for face say yes, so you are a Christian. That is why all this reason that make me deny Christianity. I'm not a Christian, but I have the fear of God. I not be Christian. Person talk say you are say no, I'm not a Christian. I will come be Christian, come be like una. You not be Christian. You say you be Christian. The thing what you dey do, no, you not there for Bible. You are heartless. You by the show for outside say you good, but be like TB Joshua. When you go there inside, you are wicked. Even devil self even better pass you. If they see you see devil, they go first kill you first, before they go kill devil. If it's possible. So that is why I deny Christianity. I'm not a Christian, but I have the fear of God. I know they go church. If I go church, I just say make I just go work and free my eyes. I know they go church. My church, they inside my heart. I have the fear of God inside my heart. So now that's what they make me dey talk. So I no wan make one person come dey suppress a neighbor and not dey like am. Make everybody go im own way. If you be pastor, you no want to say you be pastor, you want take am help your person, take am help. If you get any candle wey you say you dey sell or you pray put, na time you still take pray put, you wan sell am, you fit still sell am. But not deceive anybody. Wetin no dey work, not talk say e dey work. You understand? Na that one na dey vex me. So that one na that one. Anybody when God bless with money, he bless you with money. Anybody when God bless with pikin, he bless am with pikin. Anybody when God bless with pikin, bless am with pikin. So it's for your own, and your own lucky be that. Hola, ¿quién es?
¿Soy un repartidor de Amazon?
No. ¿Qué pasa?
¿Cómo? Soy un repartidor de Amazon. Tengo un paquete para usted.
¿Eh? Hola.
Soy el repartidor. ¿No me escucha?
Sí.
Soy el repartidor de Amazon. Estoy en la puerta de tu casa.
Vale. Ya está mi casa. My people dey come. Ya está dentro de mi casa ahora. ¿Dónde está? Yeah. Make una no vex, so I go collect my packet. It's too much since 3 days. See, these people work, the rest people don't work.
This means if you tell everybody, how does it go?
If you sell for free, they go block. Make it block.
But this one is the one to do as the commotor. This service is original.
That's Spanish product. Not try this up, but whether it's a drop. And the first time I want to do this one, I said I get out going. Okay. Maybe if I know the house tomorrow, I don't know whether I go there. They go bring this thing for me. Hey, and they go call me. I don't know whether the time where they go take come. I don't know. They go call me. I don't know the time when I will take come for wait for us. I don't know. What will that? This is my landlord. Una see me. Come see me. Come show your face. Now make them know say this is my landlord. Come now. They are greeting you. They don't see your face already. If you like, make it they hide your face. They don't see your face. Now my people now. Now my landlord with this so for the say na camp I dey for this side so. Maybe my landlord for the camp when I dey. Na him. And so, now my landlord be that too. No say I dey for camp for here, I can't work for this side. Yeah, man. No say I dey go school so that they bring my book come for me. Where I take dey go school. I dey go school online. I see they go every day on. See. So tomorrow now I still get a part 2 where they will still bring come for me. Next tomorrow the same thing. So that they bring a come for me. The school where they go online. So no say Obasanjo sef still dey go school. When I dey born yesterday no go school, I go. No knowledge is waste. As far as you are alive, anything when you learn, they help you. So that the thing when I learned that time, now it help me reach today. Now make me feel sick asylum. Do everything when I do today. Something when I just look am. I don't even think the thing will help me tomorrow. But accidentally I can't jam the something. So I can't use that knowledge of that time. I can't use them. Can't take enter. Now he save my children today. Guess who? This breeze, Now you don't go. I don't know the kind breeze wey just dey blow since yesterday. It don't spoil my door. Make it not come go break my window again. Now wow. So now no knowledge is waste. I see they go school. 3 school now they go at a time. So I see from there see they do small work. General mokba. I'm not doing. So the thing go they pay me. So this school when I they go now, you don't tell when I don't they go this one. Oh. Don't tell when I don't they go this one. So they just bring the book for me. Now later I will just sit down, come they study the something. They even know say my eye they pay me say the book self big, the letter big. It good. So now so it be. So I don't talk that one. So make we mind our business. Anybody when want bring shame to our Benin kingdom, when they talk anyhow for Benin, now that one make we dey against that person. Say this one say Inyash big o, Inyash small. Not be you be God when he create and when Inyash small. Not be you be God when he create and when he get big Inyash. But if you offend, if you talk anyhow for Benin people, or you they do what you they do, they bring shame and disgrace to Benin. I go give you name when be say your papa and your man will give you. Now then me I did. You understand? So me I did against people like that. Any other one, I not there. So make all of us gather together. Make we do better thing for ourselves. Oh, this muscle, all meat for this one, like there for the side. Apple when I soak, you never soak. Now apple I want to chop on today. Me no say apple na man soak here. Apple I just want natural one. I just want to chop on before. No can soak. Maybe you go see. I'll see what tomorrow or next tomorrow. If na the time when Sunday well now for don't soak. Now that kind of natural food na me at the chop. Now make I see they like this natural food. You know they make person they quick they old. If you get gray hair before, if you they chop natural food, that gray hair go reverse. It will come black. You don't see man, or the one we did for year before, it don't reverse. Okay. So you don't the one we did for year don't reverse. This one will soon reverse. All of them go reverse go come you can't see young again. Now so it be. Another one when I want talk with my people. Make una dey invite me. What day when I want talk? Unless maybe if I dey forget. If I forget, I go check my phone. I want to talk about no, me I first talk this one first. Owa Kariomi. Me I talk this one. You see this the word one of my sister talk, you know, say me now if they put mouth for anything wey concern palace matter o. I no fit dey put mouth because I don't know whether wetin dey bring come out for social media whether na true o. Una understand me, so I no dey put mouth for anything wey concern palace wey just come out for there. I don't know whether na true word na dem talk. I come go shook my mouth put for inside. When I come shook my mouth put for inside, when people say that thing wey they talk, when I go put my mouth say na lie unko waga sunu ejekwa wa sunu ejekwa say na ko ina ko hunwa. So as me come dey listen dey come check wetin happen wait if na true wetin dey say e happen for there. Many people don talk and they say in every rumor there is element of truth. Now you won't make me say okay, make I just talk on some word for inside. My people, my Benin people, my Edo people, I take God to beg una. I take a nika when they for that Benin there, a Edo, a nika on redo. Photocopy niya gabe juro pui manao. The real one way they for Benin that they can beg una beg. Make una not allow wetin happen 1897 happen. Make una not let am happen for Benin again. The thing when it happened during the time of Agboridi, make una not let am happen again for Benin. I take God to beg una. Iwa yo salobo when you said do yata. Iwa yo salobo akakaboya eniwa. Iye dien doni. Eni ka o no bare doni ja eniwa. Kawe eri ma ya fefe ji ma ya fefe. Nu wala owo wa give no sunu 1897 wa gede egbe do repeat egbe. Emi no sunu be ga Agboridi wa gede egbe do sunu wutedo wala owo. Abe oba se no abe no baka wala owo yo salobo ja eniwa. Emi neri ba ma pa normal sign a signation emi no ma pa wa era sign eriyeke nuwa ya summit ewe eri oba kai e oba sign signation na oba wonu na wa de gbe tegbe ebe ni jo salobo aja eni wa la owo because egbe mi na no ba ma na neri mama o si oku 1897 ne ya na ligi egbe mi na hu no ba ma gie na o wa gi Agboridi e wata ma Agboridi we oba ka ebe ni na erima ka ebe ni na o ka ebe ni na o si e na Agboridi hu na do ma Agboridi na mo wa ri owa no na mi e wo na do ya plan e ko na do agbele e hen kinokedore ihwe kinokedore wa understand. So ono do si okuo na Agboridi bedo na do mi e we obogide Agboridi na we ma ho ni egujo be yokwado ona we ne mopoluwa no bo hie no so aye fieze abe mi hefe no ya de ye fefe na ki evio no mopoluwa na ngele kwa fieze wa be ni ya mohu e be ne tena awu wa magu no ba magie ni emi opa ge garo na Agboridi na Agboridi ya de fieze no ya ka we no ni e tobi ewu no ba magie no wa eri e ba wa ikesu agi hu no ba magie eri e ba wa ike aju ni ba gun wala wo sege wala wo ge ga gie abe my set of wa here o abe some set of people not we ba ni wala wo ge ga gwe neri mama pa ye wa ge tala dan we eri ma kai eri ogwe be we da so mother de hon ye o ma hen ro propa wala wo yo salobo aja inu ba ma ne do make na de he eri ma fi wa ya efe ga gbebe ba ni we na ya ngwa de ba ngwa ke ho ke ni ya efe no wa ri e ku gbe nuwa ya do gun e do le wo ni se eri o kai ori o be ro o o fe ke nuwa gele bi anyin be ri oni nuwa no fi wa ke gbe na do mi o tu wa ke so le emi no mata wa do aka we ri o kai ebe no ma wa ya sign e wa we no we nuwa sign o sickness all those type of things ma o so ligi je do se ne do na je be no jini go de wana kuma kugbe we na ya gweri ma do le wo ni ji mana ni re wana wa wete ko wa re ma e ko wa vu ma gbe e ko re ma mana re mana inwi na ni ma so nwi na be bo na wana o to so kun wa ma vie ba vi fa we ije awu mi na ni ana ije be wo se gbe be na unyi me dani ni ani wo gwani o hule mani kumpa nana do me wi adu asusema uga o eko ga ri ebi uga ga enwe obi uga no pia ogboni san Italia eso gboni san be Spain so gboni san Italy o eso gboni san be France ah eso be gbe be Germany eko ga ri ebi uga wi enwe mo pia no we bi e ke Bobrisky fiebo eko ga ri uga ogare ori mi oje omo gbe ori mi oje odwa wikebe ni mi ro poropa o igbe pampas kian odwa we ikebe re we to ka we bure uma we mi na no we ni na we na mio ameve hian ga no no kwa ba we be na miro ha be na ki ogba yuto e ko ga re we na be we na yen bu omo nu we biye igo wi ni gbi mi na ni e ko ga re we na be so ki pia ni hai uga mi wina ni ku so wina be bo na goe uwa vie we yije ni ruda onya we ogwa ga mame emu bia ebobo ga san fian bo e nwera de to gwa my win egbi mi na be ri oni no maga e bega eso ya gbigbi akia igbe agia be me gbe agia mami gbe agia ne so gi wa gbe na ni agi wa gbe na he o iya we afi akun iya wa be wu ekun eri anta be genede egena na gije na nia ye o book me down ore ki egbe agia no re ki we ne book me down o wa re ri aso ima wonu gbonu jo area noje almost two cities me why here we book maybe or say three self but the other one man jodo the man understand do ni ene na area na ni meje na iwa ho we area we book me down kiga igbane gogo bire Musa ogbeni eyan na Musa ogbeni eyo to inu gbanore ogbeni to at the end of the month igo no move ukun obi ade do hasa ade mi egbonia o jani him because ina go waso ngwa na we gbe very oni o we be ni ama na we iyan mi go because iyan ni na we gogo biri ni ti yan wa de mi kun lele that the stock yan wa de mi kun at the end of the month yan be ya hasa that de kenya na de yan we do hasa wo inoro egbe very oni ma e ma use oyin adwe use yen wa fi akan ewu ekun betina ti yan ewu kun gbogbo kiwe de to gwa ma egbe iberi oni gesun ugwa na ma egbe iberi oni esun mama ho esun so me ri opportunity na nia iya yin wa abe baba bi je ni ro wa la wo wa ki oku ero orion ku gbe na ya dole wo ni yi na ku ga iga ku ma pa gbogbo are ni ma me ne gbe meke na egbe na o ki ma o na wa ne gbe oko yan we egbe ga o gwa ga mama ga izozo ji ma di ma na emi ni gbe so emi ni ya o me gwa be go gbe so igba avie ije mi go ije mi obi egbe mewa we gbe bebe ni anana e de ni me history of ni awu ekun ni o kaka boda me igo ihan bi na ije mi wona ekun mi wona kwa agbon anytime ni ja gbera yan e ko me gwa ga ba lo mi o gwa ba lo mi gbe wa ye ti giyan o ko me gwa ba lo we gba wi mi na ni ana wona ona abe wu kun ebe na ni ha o gbe ba na na wa be be yo tole no yan gbe ni aji ije mi sa gbogbo abe mi egbona iwa agiyan ohin yan wa ga to mi ohin yan to mi ma egbe iberi oni ema ina gwa abeti ga ibe we ni ja preach ma ya we ni e wa ya ta mi ya we ni ga we ni na ni nya ho I don't know what to do me doge the root of all this problem o why no de to gwa ma we ke no baka ina eni ke no baka wa yari ya bu na mama sho we e mama pa yo wa ni re the worst part of all what wa mi bia ke Sonia even self one of our presenter be time na with obi o mo bokere yan ja pa yo wa re Iye wari omonoma under age ye wari ehun wari omonoma egba 15 years obi ohan pata mi mewe ewe bona ina do gba 15 years. Imagine that type of a thing. Erabije no wazin egbe no bi ogbo bi obi ohan ni be oni wa pa hin wari. We no ya gwali go bona ku igo ihu be ko enu honu to kanu to e obukani ni o so e ni ebunyime oh han everything ya gwa gugme so e mana je ya gwa gugme so we mommy ha no say not grow for her so this thing wey dey tell me say no do am for her see wa age e do pe na tell me na o mo ani no mu ere na we ba boga like be ba so ba boga like be ba fun we ba go yan like be no mu ere on that age like we bunye na be bege we go that age fun obi o kan fe o ma na olugbo no fin owo ona wa ye be mu e ade we no do win na ni now we ego no ke we ya fun ani before every market do most full stop you now we okay afun vujo ekpo ni egbe ni de gbe fun because e ko na ga balo me I will tell woman ma e gbe bi be ka be ri oni yan pa hin ware ni a we yan ya gwaligo omo na mehe ma e ka bu hu e ga ni bi gana na ate sister lele ye ya he abije no kwa ga pa bu kwa be ga ni ma we mu bi yan ne gie abije no kwa no gi bi efin money e ga mu pa hin ware ya gwaligo kian yan bi kian ga gbigbi aga e ya be igbi ani lo yan ya we dotoroba ira ayon we shi me kale lo ekian avanre abi ku oni so ahile iwe chichi we bon si we kian abi je no kwa you can never see small girl that time ogi mana wa kun obi na wa mi bi obi ami mi no wa de e so eriyan bi jiyan wa bi are we bo mani ya wa mo bi yan la we bo yan go no bi yan ya gbigbi aga imie no ne ra ije era na are je ni je na are tali o wo hani na are si bi agbigbi aga iya temi artist ye imi na gbon ni kian emi no mani kian unyime si ni kian wala wo wa bi unyime dan upo na kian ifu na 2022 akian gibe la na wala wo wa gaje mi no maya de gbe mu upo na kian la na think you don't go this way there. So anya la na je mi no maya mwehe oji me mi wa wala hogu wa ho okay wala ku e ku gbe baya dole doniji ma gi pa hin ware e doniga ma ni gwa ki no tere yan ga ki no tere wa ga ki no tere wa ga mu no to ki wala mi gu gwa ga ki no wari go ni bete na ete na ku e gi wo omo nu wa bie wa egbe no gi mi ere wa ki no ana do mi go do se gbuwa ya gona wa ki no wo wa ho no wa ibe na de na ku gwa ma gi je de na ku gi re is very bad ema unyi me dan ni unyi me dan wa no wa ku to pa no ru eva ru e ha ru isen no gi me go se no gbe se o ki gi yan to wona wa je to wa ki no ma gbe gere emi na gebo ni ebola down eni ya okay wa so ni wa la dian ni a baba ke obaseki ma wona obaseki ma we no pa obaseki ma gbe obaseki ma mu ma ni ge nu ege ni ana ya re ban so that make na ebe ni afian e ba ko oh god just forget obaseki ma wona oga imo obaseki la dian obaseki ma we no pa me go pa ni me ya go obaseki gu ekeno go ri yan wa we no win ase we no wa win ase because wa no ya vote ni wa no mo obaseki do lipo it's not free obaseki asayo o asaye vote ni wa ya vote ekeno na ri go ni no ri enu wa be ge no obaseki ma e file o ga file no okay awete hotel do ni juwa wa gele o no obaseki gele gbe hotel do ni juwa e ga mi e igo wa ga mi e igo so obaseki dole dojo oma dole dojo oma obaseki gwari hofia me because I went to that doniga diyan ye mi we go yan ke ya vote ni so how we go no obaseki spend the beginning wa ya te tagba 4+4 agbane wa me igo wa ga mi e wa na ati ogba no gba ni igo no obaseki ma e file e gap no na rigo ni o ma ji go ya dwe ke to mi ebo ye ma fili go ni ye ma mi go ni we gba ma we geni no ya mi ebo o ma emi o so obe no mana mi ne ebege do no ya dology because wa ke do ami go eto o hen do ga tu wa ga ho no ba se ki dele do lu te doji wa ga mi ikobo me ga ti ogba ne be get 4+4 to gba why mu de o shomo le me na tai because o shomo le to gba ne o shomo le ma me mi no. So since I go show mo le gba o show mo le do mu dia wi yen ma wo no go ba se ki gba do and different logic o say na there against show mo le no why so ba se ki ya ogwo adun ma gwo adun wa si awa gedun we no ri kon no ge be gba so why so na ya mi en igo no ja mi en igo ni no vio nu wa na mi on they talk borrow igo ni o as a government no he have to feel it back. Oh, you feel go ni gbedegbe or I feel gbedegbe interest ga raw or the gbe you be paying the interest before ke do beg do or I 3 months of it care for the years not supposed not gbe no ya beg do 3 months ni o ya we no be ke no ko ebe ya wo iwo so wa ready so obaseki ma wona igo nu wa mi e wa refund e gbedegbe when wa ya mi obaseki go that time who send una me una go collect money for obaseki hand. Wa mi go no wa mi nu wa ebe na you forget the future wa gi jo de na kwere e ba wa ri go no wa na ni go kwa na ba wa hand wa ka go baseki no do this on baseki won spend those state money finish the time when they give una money one they collect the money we come we no know say those state money go finish another election still dey come now una no go sit down make una talk make una think wa that day ken wa na be mi go that day corner nu wa na be rego junugba wa be mujajo ne ya benu ke that is ekenugba na rego wa be mujajo ne benu wa ya be rego he abe ne kwemu why total wa you will never think for the future of your children at all wa total wa ga ro ye so far wa mi 5,000 le ne mi wa re ya fefe millions ni obaseki munwa wa wona mi ekeno na mi na feeling na ni obaseki ye ha we da de bai ma ho anybody waste tami o ma epo ni we e feel epo ni a epo ni ma even ke we na re go ni azan we na re go ni we feel ni a u pay we re gbe ni ma pay interest ya we of get those state money be ya pay iya ma mi o de la na den sa we ni ya do ko ni a gwa no ke gelegele ne ba ni ke gelegele ni a do ko ya gwa ni a yo bele ni ya do bele ni a do ko ni ya gwa me ya ke so wa is better because for too much igbe here now if they feel the pain this time next time if they want to vote election here the right thing here yawo they will know the right thing to do wage de gbeta wo baseki ma we mi opa wage de gbeta obaseki wa ri ho ba ma ho igo nu ri eniyan ma gene back wa be sha ibu kaka bo wa like wa ma gene back wa ga gene back ni interest no ro the interest be yan when gwa so keke gwa na ya boro gwa na feel go ni le before you now know where just so do set you upo mama bo so na so it be Eriojo so erio ni wase ba oni na we fo ba so ibe hem oge Mercy Johnson kederi ade me una sit down me I tell una story una invite people me I tell una story me tell hu and no say me no dey break table na wetin for na table one na break na dey gather I will come gather and come put them together. I will come turn to one. And so me I do my own. So that Mercy Johnson will make me see talk more about it. You understand? Letting I know about it too. Now I won't talk so. The thing no work. You ni meru da we na mama we na no work still comot. No work. Okay, may I just hold am for hand because the battery will soon finish now. Okay. So that Mercy Johnson, may I just talk am. That time Mercy Johnson want to marry. Una know the story wey surround the marriage that time. Some people wey know that Mercy Johnson husband with him wife wey dey for Canada. They talk the story that time how Mercy that wetin say be him name Okori or wetin be him name. Then talk the story how that man live for Italy. That time this live video never come on like this. If not, everybody for know the story of that man. So people when you know the story, then many people when know that man, then they Italy, how he with that woman take dey before they come gather, comot go Canada. They know say Mercy Johnson husband na pure. Where you call Shetro, now he be for Italy. Many they talk at that time now. You no get work, you no get what he dey do. That time for Italy. Then they talk am say na you know say grade 1 Shetro, na that man be. So him with him wife, them do marriage, do everything before them go Canada. So when they reach Canada, the same thing, not get work. You know they work. Some people, if you not get work, you create job for yourself. That Mercy Johnson husband, they even talk and say, that Mercy Johnson husband, oh yes, no, nah. That is a diabolical man. Person will be say, he's strong for that thing, for that way, for spiritual, this thing. He use them for Italy, where. They talk and that those people were they Italy. If na like where dem know am for Italy with that im wife, how e take Shetro for Italy, dem go talk am. See am. So many people dey come and they come dey blame Mercy Johnson. The where Mercy Johnson blame dey, I go see talk am. So that time they come go Canada with him wife and children. As he reach that side, work no dey say make him go, he wan go Nigeria. Make him go find some now. What he tell him wife, oh, maybe he go find something what go they do for Nigeria. On his way coming, now he jam Mercy Johnson. The two come talk as they talk now. That time, Mercy Johnson they desperate. They look for husband. He just they look for husband in anywhere. It be like a person when throw net for inside river. Any fish when he catch, he not go look and make it use the power take draw the net come outside. Catch the fish na dey. Na wetin do Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson just see and say they talk one, they count words, they tell go say this one a gentleman oh, very nice man. Na Mercy Johnson carry am. And that time Mercy Johnson just get one broken relationship. When be say he not talk come outside. He get broken relationship. He get one man when be say him with am just one. So the man can't do anyhow like this. Now Mercy Johnson bash that one. He can't see this Okoye. When he see and this one they talk small. But because of the desperate when Mercy Johnson get, you know we can understand say this man don't get wife and children. He even marry self, do legal marriage. You know quick Mercy Johnson. You know see at that period people when Mercy Johnson they do the marriage rapido. That time quick now they do the marriage. When the woman come know say something won't happen, she come dey talk. Hey, we can do marriage oh, this and that oh. Mercy Johnson get in cash now. They use in cash. The family say now this one I will go marry. Or even the family of the man self, they don't want even hear of that woman because they don't see money. They don't want hear of that man. Yeah, they don't want to hear of that woman. They no one come there for that woman side. They don't see money. So all of them dey for Mercy Johnson side. Mercy Johnson see and say as dem dey for inside, and Mercy Johnson don commit himself too much before he know say this man get wife and children. He don commit himself and she don want to go back. Anything wey go happen make it happen. Na him she take enter that marriage. She come enter the marriage continue. You see am? Okay. As the marriage come continue dey go now, you know say person wey no ever work before, wetin go come do? E get one song wey we dey sing that time where Ezama tujebie, Ezama tujebie, ọmọ náà magele yoku ogeri oje, ọmọ náà magele yoku ogeri oje. Ri maga so ke mana yikiri regeni. So one person wey never do something before, na so e go be. Man, not so many of una go talk say na lie o, e dey work o, e get business, oil and gas. Now wetin take deceive Mercy Johnson that time? Him be prince in Sokori Abina Okoji. Him be prince. Him be Gbogbolise. Him be oil and gas. Where the oil and gas money? The oil and gas money dey. Now he say he live in wife for Canada. In dey come Nigeria, won't come find way. Oil and gas he get now they come up for Italy, go Canada. Not before made them forget better life. Not being made them go Canada. Zero. Those are audio, oil and gas business. So Mercy Johnson now with him money wey be say he don struggle. No, so he don be advisor to one governor like that. Many she don struggle for her life. She don struggle for her life, make her life better. You understand? So na so the something be. Now Mercy Johnson come say okay. As he come be so, he bring money come outside, make them take do business together. If na you can't get money, you bring money come outside, make you with your husband use am take dey do business as a support, make you take am do business. That money, the gain wey go come out for inside. If you say okay, at all. If na 100,000, let me say 100,000, I come out for the gain. You take 50, I take 50. Abi, Mercy Johnson go keep your own 50 for one side. The other 50, this is Mercy Johnson go just leave the other 50 for us. Make carry and go. No, that other 50, Mercy Johnson must take another 25 for inside that 50. Now house now we dey, children go eat. Me sef I go eat. You be my husband. You will be the husband go eat. Go so we go do maintenance, everything for house. He go still take 20 to 35%. 20 or 35 for inside that 50 where remain for your hand. So now the small one when go call remain for your hand, you know say go still keep am for pocket. Maybe still do oga, maybe still do person. Maybe go get one person when go come, one of your relatives when go come see greet them, or you go see go to any of your relatives first. You know, we just they do oga, they follow message. Just when we say no, we see release for those people. You understand? Na in concern. The Okori Abi Okoje, he not get his own money. He not get his own money. That is why he not fit take care of him children when he first born before. If now you now your money nine they use for us, you will come get time to tell and say carry out of this my money when I dey suffer. Make go give another pikin, go give another woman. They don't know how you take get that money. Mercy Johnson suffer for her money. Do you understand? If that man get his own, say na his own work with that, he never get his own work. All that one cheap when Mercy Johnson they show say, hey, my husband, he surprised me. Hey. Nah lie. Now let Toto Dike they talk truth. All that one I just pepper them gift and I be that. My husband buy this one for me. Hey, now lie yo. Now pepper them gift to Mercy Johnson. Now you see the pepper the way they do. Your husband buy jeep, get money, buy jeep for you. The children when you don't born before, you know they go look and not see as the whole world they blame you now say now you cause and when you know they when we say no, you know they take care of in children when you don't first born before. Because you want to do pepper them for people, what you use your own money buy, maybe they tell the whole world say now your husband when you not get money, when you never work before, now he buy them for you. So that is why people are against you. I just come and come tell the whole world say that your husband never work before o, according to the story wey dey follow am for Italy, no get work, no get him own money. Na your money una dey use. If na that is why I like Toto Dike. If na Toto Dike na go come and say all this money when I dey see, so na me get am o. The shoe wey dey wear, so na me buy am o. See the amount, the receipt sef even dey with the place where you keep the receipt. Toto Dike go bring am come outside now. If they talk truth, that girl I too like am. The rest of una dey do audio. Na audio things na una dey do pepper dem. Now una dey do. So nobody for this world, woman for this world, go say okay, the thing when the money when you suffer put, make your husband take am dey go dey give another woman. The Benin people dey take am dey sing say Ikwan no be weme o eyo, Ikwan no be weme eyo, Ikwan no be weme o eyo, obi meni ga kwajo oto o eyo. No woman go say make him suffer, make your husband carry am go dey give another woman pikin when another woman born. No woman. So that woman wey dey for Canada, make you take care of your pikin o, make you pray, make your husband, you know say no dey work before. Everybody know for Italy, no dey work before. Even when he dey with you for Canada, he get work, he no work. So make you tell am make him work. Now the work when he work, now you go fit come give your children. Not let anybody push you, because the money wey dey chop for there na Mercy Johnson money. If na you nko, you sef go gree that kind thing, you no agree. So not blame Mercy Johnson. Na Mercy Johnson money, na Mercy Johnson who talk and come and say na because of his children he dey suffer. He want his children to live the best life. You understand? So na the thing where me I get to talk for that matter na be that. You understand? So Toto Dike na my favorite person o. I dey like that girl action. Only say to dey love. If you just see man, that one just say I love you, go just love at once. Supposed to dey look before you lift. That one not dey look. Na only that one. No, egba no wan for. No, nobody is perfect. I too like Toto. If na Toto Dike since he don come out now. The point when he wear, so this boss not be me buy am. Everything where he Toto Dike go talk am. He go talk am. So he go clear the air for everybody. You now they do pepper dem. No one talk. No one talk. They go. Everybody go. They put the blame for your head. They put the blame for your head. Say now you don't want make you go. They see the other children. You just want make it they take you. They see the way they carry the children. All of they want make it they take care of you. Make it they see you. They don't know say now what you suffer put now you they enjoy. Now you they do. They nobody know that one. That you keep everything, make that they put the blame for your head. Make that for no say now you be good Samaritan. Now you walk. You use your money buy jeep finish. Tell us say make you come present and say now you buy am. Your husband get money to buy jeep. Now you not fit take care of the children when you born for the other side. Men when we say go born finish, when I go give woman belle, now go neglect my children. At the end now they suffer. That pikin when be so una talk so una be the everything. Now go suffer una last. Now go suffer. That make me not blame that our presenter that the way talk say if papa not take care of am. Yes, the person did something there for everybody, there for my body. To just me and they talk to una so. If they talk to my papa, maybe my mind just sweet that day. They just talk and say, yeah, your papa be like this, so they hospital, or do this one, or do this one. I was okay. They not take this one. You get sometimes when be say my bed, I just dey bitter. They just say, what you can concern me for that one? But I go just if na my children they send a message come give, I say, what you can concern me for that one? The time when I dey small pikin, my papa no say I dey live. No, you know whether I go survive. And what you can concern me? Now when I come grow, I go. I don't want hear am. Now for life video they talk this matter so. I don't want hear am. I will just put my ear for water. I don't want hear am at all. Because if I see this, if I look the suffer when I suffer, I don't want. I can't remember say I get one man when say be my papa. I dey vex. I don't want hear am. Any man when be say una go born pikin finish, una go leave that pikin, una no go ask of, una no go take care of that pikin. Una dey suffer, una must suffer. I go take and swear for all the men. When be say go born pikin finish, una no go take care of that pikin, una go abandon that pikin. Neglect that pikin. No know what that pikin go come be for. Go come become in future. You can't leave am. When it can't grow now, you can't say my pikin kill your head. all those kind men dem dey suffer, dem dey suffer. So okori abi na okoje, anything wey be your name, make you take time o, go find work, go work. If na the small small coins wey Mercy Johnson go dey leave for your hand, if you go gather with that one take start your own business, take am start. When you know say na that small small coins na you fit gather, if na kpangolo dey put am for kpangolo, you know say na that small small coins you just dey gather am for there. When the small small coins don turn to note, don big, take am do any business, so that inside that one you fit still take add for Mercy Johnson side, take care of Mercy Johnson side, then still go take care of all those ones wey dey for that side. You understand? Because no turn ogyogo enye ka gbebuye. Me, I stand for here. I know say you no get work, you are under Mercy Johnson. Una go say most of the time when they say they talk, if they fit they talk, you no fit talk. Now Mercy Johnson now they talk for a month. After Mercy Johnson say, my husband don't like to talk. He don't talk too much. Na lie. You not talk too much. You don't want to talk for public. I just tired that day say he won't come be politicians. He won't be politician. You will not fit talk 2 words finish. 1.5 words never complete for your man. Now you want who won't come campaign for you? Mercy Johnson go live in work when they do your campaign for you. And I laugh. I laugh in Jamaica that day when I see and say he won't come be politician. Hey, I'm not here a politician. When I'm not fit working under a politician. Now I come laugh, I say clap, 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 boom, boom, clap. Hey, I laugh in Jamaica that day, not be small. If I take to when I see him, whether they do rally, say 1 billion. Say, nah, just go hide, do boy, I'm go make farm. Go make farm like me now. From next year now, I go enter farm work. Obasanjo they make farm. Obasanjo was 2 times president of Nigeria. Now she say when he just hand over, where he go now altar. He not spend day break for his house for Abeokuta. Na altar farm na there he go land. He not spend day break for there. I'm telling you people the truth. He not spend day break for there. Now so he just go. People when he come, they say make they go tell am say hey welcome welcome. When they reach they not see am. What did they come they talk? They say hey see am. Person when he spend that many years for president, see the road to his house, he not fit do am. Now they come they show. Ethic concern Obasanjo, now in farm, now you go. A whole president of Nigeria, 2 times president of Nigeria, still they go farm. Me, I like farm work well. The reason why I like farm work now because now that farm work now they take training. Sorry. Oh, they don't see you now. See, you they hide, they don't see you.
I don't know.
That's you. This my landlord. So from Nigeria still. So me I learn farm work well because now they take me or for Yokorion. That time when I talk and say these people when genocide they carry come outside. Make una come now so one they sell like ice water one they sell ice cream, the other one they sell buns, so make una help them. We not get house. So this one say all those money one I just they say make they take help them. Tell them you see one today you bring and come outside, make they come donate for them. Tomorrow if you see am for Mission Road, the next tomorrow na Opasako Bar Road now you go see am where you go sell ice cream. That road when you see am that day, you not go that side again. Another place they not dey stop. The best thing, advise them, gather them like that. You don't get village. Nobody will not get village. Go. If you don't get village, make it go reserve. Like all those who here or Dili, they get a reserve. Make it go farm. If you make go find where you go farm. If you farm this, if you plant, if you go stay for any village, go rent 2 house, small money rent house for village. You go just now that first year, then you go suffer the something rich. They do small job. The next year when you plant cassava, the cassava don't they come outside, you no go suffer again. When I talk and now my manager come and say, you say me they can't go farm. The work when they where you don't reach now, where you don't reach. Say me they can't go farm. Me they can't go. That's not the right thing now. Talk that time now. Okay, I say do where you don't reach. People not see they stay for outside. They don't see they sleep for Ring Road. They don't see they sleep for Uselu Market. I be waiting they call a New Benin. Children not see they there. If if you finish am. So give the best advice to people. If not to even carry mark before all this about Obaza when they dey Nigeria, to carry mark before teach them. You know the kind work, the kind program when Babangida wife bring that time. Better Life Women, Women Better Life program. I don't know as they do the program that time. Babangida wife Mary and I bring the program come outside that time. When they teach, they help those people where they for rural area. They help them that time. They empower whether women empowerment or something. I don't know. Better Life something. I don't know how they do the program. Wetin they call wetin the woman do that time. And they see they teach people. People when you see they for town, they see they teach them. Those people say when they come they do detergent so when they get handwork, women. If not that one, those program now they say okay, make una see they advise all these people who get to say oh yeah, make they come do this thing, make they come learn social work, make they come do this one, they do one. So that they will get their own handwork. If they not even see work, they feel they use that one, see they do something, they do everything where they do. They will get small money. So that one not let una talk and say they want, make they come they give them money they donate. When we are donating, say boy is say any, not reach any place. Who not fit go find, fit go learn work. If you learn work, the work you go let them say they survive tomorrow. You see so now wetin me I talk that time. I say no, why me go come out come talk that kind of word. Farm by next year by special grace of God, 2020 by the grace of God. Me I dey go farm. Not be say I dey live Europe my acres of land. I say oh yeah, work like this. Me I like to do this palm fruit farm. I like to do. I still like to do. I want you to do rubber plantation. So no say rubber not there for Benin again, not there Nigeria again. So it's good all those things. That rubber plantation, see they create job. So if person if you still do the rubber plant, I like to do rubber plantation and palm fruit farm. This banga, this thing, I like to do one. When you do that one, 3 years you don't harvest the fruit. Small. If you come put the engine when they take the milk oil put for there, you come they sell oil. That one people when you see employ people be that. So now waiting there for my mind when I want to by special grace or not by my power. Now waiting I want to from next year. It's there among my budget next year when I want to. So I will just do one. So I will the worker they go they check am. Put people where go they work for me, they do everything. So anybody when you see get that kind of thing for mind, make it go to in village, to any village when you know say if you buy land, go do one. See employ people, make everybody they do one. You understand? And so that is for that one. This my battery they go down. Just they go down moment. Okay, now so it be me, I just cut and short. Another one, me what I want to tell you now, my people. No. I want to tell you now. Be say he get one of our brother when say they go bring in YouTube down. Why not they do all those kind of things? I did the Jamie Sibe de Beyagiwa. Me down. Oh, I bring all my YouTube down, bring people Facebook down, this and that. All those kind of things not good. It's not good though. My own not go. If you who say you won't come break my own down. If you go do it down, over where I come to God. If you like to do time where in bed in your man of him, over where I come if me a born in where ya will nani a phone where ya make it anything when you take do one. Over where man I come when you obvious so day. Over where I come when I got when me down. And yes, okay, can wagao. And yes, maybe your legend will correct you where we know. I never call this person one day, I never call her one day. He might call her one day. So don't know how we're getting new game. When I get away with nanny get him, who change you one year. You have a never ma who be tired so that you to be a change. You understand? When you make no matter where we knew game man, you not get a game, you were fear her with you. If nanny give a deck, they give away. He have would correct him, down never. Also, man, I don't compensate with anybody. no woga on ma consign me agbon wa o were agbin me bere iha wu di moto be den na gi me ma di moto we problem idu amo o never iha wu bogwa be den na gi ma bogwe idu avie never iha wu rukmono mose be na imam rukmono mose ni ru ni gwe ni du aso never emi no romo ri oni wu iha we kian ogugwe no ma nu gwe ni gwe gwa bia ogugwe kian that's all. I see no reason why person will just misbehave like that. Could just bovoni yakin na eke dani yakin then akwa wa we could go work pa wa baby. O say me na ko wa okay, bye. I just did my own. I not get time for anybody. You understand? No we emega ni me ya muje bi amekene. I don't know when you near settle down. Ya me goma, ya settle down ya me goma zisa money no in leka. So Facebook or give Google mukboto Google wana do Bobby we oh wani you will never remain the same. Hey, you will never remain the same. Oh. You know remain the same wetin I go do you. Ibe la dia we do kama we give me no me go son no me but yan go back here boy nika o winner. Ima all of una don't see me for una page. I know they come here. If YouTube YouTube or we share second je na mi wa ibe ni agwan yi we be gwanjo o we ni apia ni ya report YouTube we ya report page we I no get time for that one. Ni get be on wana do wa ya kwali wina wa ya wina because wa wina wa mega wa ya le YouTube yan gwale ni wa bring down wa ya promote wa mega one. So you know so make I this thing they go down. O man eri kwa be tai se o wakojo. Happy Halloween. Iya de na ya o mi je mere. I get to Nigeria na we ya mu flower ya ye grave. Abi. So, na so it be o me I can't chop my food. Only say the apple when I want chop now. I know e no soak. What da me. Say we are wa fe ko wa ro e wa ri o ya gwari yo ni gwa ko wa la bedi ma so ki meni ye well now just go do small pure me and chop. Okay now bye bye next time bye.